I'm Robin Tuddenham. I'm the Chief Executive of Calderdale Council and the Solace Lead for Economic Prosperity. I'm here in Manchester at the roundtable that I've just hosted on the future of local government with Civica and Solace. On the challenges of workforce, this is a crisis for all of us across all sectors. What I feel is really important and what I learned from today is that we need to really be bold, confident and clear about the purpose and value of local government, the connection to place, the pride and opportunity that people have through a career in local government, and we've got to tell that story to our young people and to those that we also already employ to recruit and retain the best talent. Our framework, a long-term vision for workforce, we need to think about not only purpose but our people and equity, and how we ensure we harness the hidden wealth within our communities and within our future workforce, that we can actually bring people in regardless of age, of caring responsibilities, that the race and ethnicity of our places is better reflected both in the workforce itself and in the leadership of our organisations, and that everyone feels welcome, they can be authentic and be who they are in work. And we create a culture and environment where people can be who they are and can celebrate who they are and give the best they can for local people and communities.